Hola, mis queridos amigos en Portugal. Por favor, convídame para el vosso festival. My name is Max Schaefer from Los Angeles, California, and I would love to share Spolin games at your festival. I got to tell you, this will be an amazing workshop. I've got over 40 years' experience teaching all over the world. I've worked with the very best. I worked with Viola Spolin. I worked with Paul Sills. And I have done workshops all over the world: Turkey, Japan, America, all over the place. And I would love to share an intensive 6 hour workshop for your festival. And it will blow everybody's mind. And this will be a very special event because I would like to give the most incredible resources to them, offer them actually a free book on Spolin that they can take with them, give them hundreds of games and ideas, and even perform a show with them at your festival. Please let me do this. I think it would be great. And at other festivals, I offer a free workshop to people that are volunteers or people who do not speak English in your community. And I would like to offer that to you. I will teach a free workshop to your volunteers or in Portuguese if you have an opportunity for me to do so. I just want to spread the word of Spolin. Spolin in all different languages. Here's even a Portuguese version of Theater Games for the Classroom and Viola's books in Portuguese. Yes, they need to know Spolin. It's the basis. She's the mother of improvisation. So I hope to hear from you. Please email me. Yeah. Obrigado.